How to download and install Facebook app in your laptop or PC. As you can see, my laptop has YouTube app and we will create like this Facebook app. First, open any browser and go to search bar and search there Facebook. When you search Facebook, then just press enter and from here go to first website Facebook login or sign up. When you click on it, you will go to your Facebook profile. And from here, just click on these three dots and some people will see under extension option the download and install option of Facebook app. But now if you don't see, don't worry, you have to click on this icon show with star icon. When you click on it, here you can see the option of install. When you click on install, your Facebook app will be installed on your laptop or PC. And when I am minimize that and in my laptop, you can see the app of Facebook. And this is a tutorial how we can download Facebook app in our laptop. Thanks for video watching.